Wave upon wave take turns to drink. Each bird has just seconds to swallow what it can before another drops in to take its place. But wherever birds gather, so do their predators. Black falcons take up residence, confident that each day food will land right on their doorstep. But thirsty budgerigars give them a run for their money. Budgies can perform some of the fastest manoeuvres of any bird. They are so skilled, they even sneak in a drink between attacks. It drops like a stone just before the grab. Again it falls, just out of reach. Turning on a dime, it outflies the falcon time and time again. Despite their best efforts, the falcon and his partner go hungry. A waterhole gives the budgies a break from wandering, but once the local grasses have been plundered, the huge flocks will split into small roaming parties once more.